Hello and welcome. This is a large job that's been waiting to be done. Should have been done already, but because of, well, unless you've been on the moon, my operation, my back, all this kind of stuff. Anyway, I've got to make a start. So we got quite a bit of repairing to do, and whilst I have to wash the entire building all the way over, I'm going to jet wash around the bottom half today because I've cut all the long grass, as you can see, and I need to clean up, ready to make the concrete repairs that are necessary. So today is just about cleaning up, getting ready, getting the lower half ready for me to be able to make all the repairs before I put the first coat of sealant on it. There's no point cleaning that window because that window's coming out. There will be a door there leading onto a deck in here, so that's a waste of time doing that. But let's clean the bottom half, and more importantly, that's cleaned round where I need to do the repairs. This elevation, I don't know what happened on this elevation, but it's always looked really thin. But you can see what came off. There's no point leaving it on there because I won't get the first sticky coats to adhere to the underneath. But that's not good. Well, one of the reasons why we're painting it is because it's not good. Right, so that's all round underneath now. Cleaned where we're going to make our repairs. It's got a lot of the nasty flaky paintwork. It's got to be washed again. But all these windows will be shielded over whilst I'm painting the main building. Okay, we're ready to mix up some nasty stuff and start making some repairs there. Okay, that's the first coat of repairs. Some of the repairs are quite deep, so I'm only going to go this far today, and then we'll clean that up, score it, and then put a second coat, second lot on it tomorrow to bring it out to the right level. That's repaired there. Look. A few repairs along the side there. I found something quite curious this morning. I don't know why I haven't seen it before. It's taking quite a bit of paint off these. These are bad. See, there's another broken bit of glass there. There's a lot more broken glass in this building than I thought. Like that. Now that's a pull pipe. I reckon this is for the broadband, but it's got no cable in it. So initially I just thought it was this window that's broken. Right, but the one next to it's broken as well. So that's two there. That one there's broken. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, there you go. That's three. And then the other thing that I haven't noticed, which is very curious, is there appears to be a stone hole in the toilet window. Right, quite clearly, that's a stone. Quite clearly. And that one's broken there as well. Anyway, that's day one. The building's clean. I haven't done that window because, as I've said, I've taken that one out. I've done the repairs there. I've done a couple of minor repairs, holes here. That's kind of messy up there, but there's not a lot I can do about that. It's where the electric was connected. I'm going to have to mind that in the skylift. I don't want to be getting caught up in there. Right, that's it for day one. Bottom of the building washed, and the necessary repairs. First coat is on. I can get those finished tomorrow. Well, that's it for the day.